Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Box. In today's class we are going to discuss about various type of skeletal muscle fibers and we are comparing them in this class. Okay, so I am just giving you one information that in each and every lecture, at the end of lecture we have 5 MCQ regarding the same lecture. So I request you all that give the answer of all of these questions in the comment box. Okay, so now just understand what is skeletal muscles, fibers and various types. Okay, so as I already discussed the structure of skeletal muscle fibers, so here on I button I gave the description of that lecture, so you can go through with the skeletal muscle fiber structure. There are 3 types of skeletal muscle fibers. The first one is slow oxidative skeletal muscle fiber, second is fast oxidative glycolytic skeletal muscle fiber, and the third one is fast glycolytic skeletal muscle fiber. Okay, so we are discussing comparison of these all 3 fibers on various points. Okay, some are the structural point and some are the functional points. Okay, their characteristics point. Okay, so the first one is fiber diameter. If you are looking the fiber diameter देखें तो स्लो ऑक्सीडेटिव मसल फाइबर की जो डायामीटर होती है वो स्मॉलेस्ट होती है. ओके, इट इज स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन. And if you are looking about the fast oxidative glycolytic fiber, then it is intermediate. It is what? About intermediate. Okay, and about fast glycolytic fiber, it is largest one. Okay, it is largest one. Clear everyone. Now if we are discussing about the myoglobin content, okay, so we found lot of amount of myoglobin in slow oxidative skeletal muscle fiber. So high amount. Okay, high amount. Clear. Then in myoglobin content in fast oxidative glycolytic skeletal muscle fibers, in this as we also found high amount. Okay, and fast glycolytic fiber we found small amount. What we found? We found what? Small amount. Okay, clear. Now just look on the mitochondria. Just look on the mitochondria. So we found in so many mitochondria. So many mitochondria found in slow oxidative fiber. Okay, then in fast oxidative fiber we also found many mitochondria. Fast oxidative glycolytic fiber we found many mitochondria, and in fast glycolytic skeletal fiber we found few mitochondria. We found what? Few mitochondria. Okay, now if you are looking on the capillaries, so we found many capillaries in small oxidative skeletal muscle fiber. Here we found again many capillaries. Okay, and in fast glycolytic fibers we found few glycolytic skeletal muscle. We found few capillaries. Okay, now just discussing the other point, that is what? Color. Now just look at the color. Because there is a presence of high amount of myoglobin and high amount of capillaries, they show red color. They show what? Red color. Remember this point. क्यों इनका रेड कलर क्यों होता है? Why they are looking as a red? Because high amount of myoglobin content and high amount of capillaries. Okay, if you are looking fast oxidative glycolytic, then again here is high myoglobin content and here is many capillaries, so they are looking red pink color. Okay, and just look at here, globin amount, myoglobin amount is small and capillaries are few. That's why they are looking white, or we can say pale color. Okay, we can say pale color. Okay, so these are some structural point. First to 5 are structural point. Now we are discussing the characteristics point. Okay, now we are looking on the some characteristics point. So contraction velocity. Contraction velocity is important. So many times examiner asks question on this point. So contraction velocity, the name suggests it is slow. That so it is, we can say slow is its velocity. Okay, and in fast oxidative, so name suggests fast, so it is velocity is what? We can say fast. Again here fast glycolytic skeletal muscle fiber, so again here we can say velocity, contraction velocity is fast. Okay, now if you are looking on the ATP generation and its method, okay, so ATP generation is high in slow oxidative fibers. ATP generation is high. Okay, and what is the method by they generating ATP? So it is aerobic. It is what? Aerobic method. Okay, now looking on fast oxidative glycolytic fiber for ATP generation, so it is intermediate. It is what? Intermediate. Okay, as well as what is the method? So they are generating ATP by aerobic and anaerobic, both method. So I am writing just clear. And what about fast glycolytic skeletal muscle fiber? They are generating their ATP by slow method. Okay, clear. And they are generating ATP by which method? Anaerobic method. Okay, anaerobic method. Clear everyone? Now just looking the rate of ATP hydrolysis. Now just remember, here we are discussing ATP hydrolysis. यहाँ ATP का hydrolysis की rate हम discuss कर रहे हैं कि किस rate से ATP का hydrolysis होगा. तो नाम देखिए आप यहाँ पर, the name is slow oxidative fiber. So ATP hydrolysis is slow in this fiber. Okay, that's why the name given slow oxidative fiber. That's why the name given slow. And again in remaining both fiber, the name is fast. The name is fast for both. It means the ATP hydrolysis is fast in here. Okay, and again it is fast at here. Okay, clear everyone? Now looking on the next point. Next point is fatigue resistance. Next point is what? Fatigue resistance. Okay, so fatigue resistance is high at here. Okay, बहुत आसानी से यहाँ पर फटीग नहीं होगा. मतलब फटीग होने के लिए यहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये फाइबर जहाँ भी हमें मिलेंगे वहाँ पर आसानी से थकान नहीं होगी. फटीग रेजिस्टेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई है. अगर हम फास्ट ऑक्सीडेटिव ग्लाइकोलाइटिक फाइबर को देखें, देन हियर वी फाइंड इंटरमीडिएट फटीग. ओके, इंटरमीडिएट. ओके, एंड in the next fast glycolytic skeletal muscle fiber, it is low. Okay, it means in our body where we found fast glycolytic fiber, the fatigue condition occur very fast. Okay, means fatigue resistance is low, it means fatigue occur very fast. Okay everyone, now looking the next point, what about the creatine kinase? So in slow oxidative fiber, the amount of creatine kinase is low, and in fast oxidative the amount is intermediate. Okay, and in fast glycolytic fiber the amount is high. Clear everyone? Now looking the another parameter, glycogen storage. Okay, so glycogen storage, again the similar kind of thing we found as we found in creatine. Again here low amount, fast glycolytic intermediate amount. Okay, and in fast glycolytic fiber we found high amount. We found what? High amount. Okay, now just looking on the next point, location where fiber are abundant. ये कौन सी लोकेशन पर कौन से फाइबर जो है हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में मिलेंगे? हाई अमाउंट इन आवर बॉडी वेयर वी फाउंड दीज फाइबर इन हाई अमाउंट. ओके, सो वी फाउंड स्लो ऑक्सीडेटिव स्केलेटल मसल फाइबर इन द नेक एरिया. ओके, जो हमारा नेक रीजन होगा, जो नेक वाला पोर्शन होगा, इस रीजन में हमें क्या मिलेंगे? ये फाइबर हाई अमाउंट में मिलेंगे. ओके, नाउ जस्ट लुक ऑन this fast oxidative glycolytic fiber. So these we found in lower limb में जो है हमें ये फाइबर जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा अमाउंट में मिलेंगे. एंड फास्ट ग्लाइकोलाइटिक स्केलेटल मसल फाइबर वी फाउंड इन अपर लिम्ब. सो अपर लिम्ब में ये काफ़ी हाई अमाउंट में मिलेंगे. ओके, so now just look at this. What is the primary function of slow oxidative fibers? So as we found them in neck में हमें मिल रहे हैं. It means they are useful for posture. Okay, they are useful for postural movement. Okay, postural movement of neck. Okay, clear everyone? And what is the primary function at fast oxidative fiber? So here we found what? Walking. it is useful in walking because we found them in lower limb, and in here in fast glycolytic fiber they found in upper limb. So for rapid movement, because we are using fine movement through hand, okay, so here it require for rapid movements, okay, rapid movement activities, okay, clear everyone. Now what is the order of recruitment? What is the order of recruitment? मतलब कि बॉडी में कौन सा फाइबर सबसे, स्केलेटल मसल फाइबर में से कौन सा फाइबर सबसे पहले जनरेट होगा, ओके. सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ जनरेशन इज व्हाट, इट इज फर्स्ट, it is what, first, and it is second, okay, it is second, and this one is third, this one is third, clear. So hopefully you people are able to understand the comparison. यहाँ कुछ points आप ध्यान रखिए कि क्या क्या important point है. देखिए कुछ याद रखने की मैं ट्रिक बताता हूँ आप लोगों को, क्या ट्रिक होगी, ओके. फाइबर डायामीटर, तो यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिए स्लो है, इट इज स्लो, so it is from, you can match S to S, okay. Diameter is smallest, okay, diameter smallest है, यहाँ पर smallest है. Then in so many cases this is in the, we right, I have written it in the mid. So बहुत सारे cases में यहाँ पर क्या होगा, intermediate होगा, okay. So diameter यहाँ पर intermediate है and यहाँ पर largest है. Then मायोग्लोबिन कंटेंट हाई है और कैपिलरी हाई, इस वजह से रेड कलर होगा, ओके. सो रिमेंबर सम पॉइंट्स वेयर एग्जामिनर मे आस्क क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. फाइबर डायमीटर, या एग्जामिनर कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस पॉइंट, ओके. देन रेट ऑफ एटीपी हाइड्रोलाइसिस, एग्जामिनर कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस पॉइंट, as well as fatigue resistance. Fatigue resistance is also important, where it is high, where it is low, okay. And what is, where we found these fibers, this is also a important one, कहाँ ये मिलते हैं, okay. So I hope you people are able to understand. इस जो comparative lecture से अगर short note आपका आता है कि write a short note on types of skeletal muscle fiber, तो आप लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं, ओके. और जो competitive examination है वहाँ पर काफ़ी बार यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए और बच्चे अक्सर इसको गलत करते हैं, ओके. तो ये चार्ट आप अच्छे से लर्न कर लीजिए, यहाँ से काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. यहीं पर मैंने कुछ MCQ आप लोगों से डिस्कस किए हैं, उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें, ओके. और अगर आपको रियली लगता है कि ये वीडियो यूज़फुल है आप लोगों के लिए, तो आप इसको दूसरे क्लासमेट्स के साथ, अदर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, जो भी सोशल मीडिया पे आप जुड़े हुए हैं उन ग्रुप्स में शेयर करिए. जय भारत, जय हिंद. Hello everyone, discussing the question number 1. Choose the statement which is not true about skeletal muscle fiber. A, slow oxidative fiber diameter is smallest. B, fast oxidative glycolytic fiber diameter is smallest. C, fast glycolytic fiber diameter is largest. D, none. Question number 2. Choose the statement which is true about skeletal muscle fiber. A, slow oxidative fiber contain low amount of creatine kinase. B, fast oxidative glycolytic fiber contain low amount of creatine kinase. C, fast glycolytic fiber contain low amount of creatine kinase. D, none. Question number 3. Choose the statement which is true about skeletal muscle fiber. A, slow oxidative fiber have a slow rate of ATP hydrolysis by myosin ATPase. B, fast oxidative glycolytic fiber have a fast rate of ATP hydrolysis by myosin ATPase. C, fast glycolytic fiber have a fast rate of ATP hydrolysis by myosin ATPase. D, all are correct. Choose a statement which is true about skeletal muscle fiber. A, slow oxidative fiber generate ATP by anaerobic method. B, fast oxidative glycolytic fiber generate ATP by anaerobic and aerobic method. C, fast glycolytic fiber generate ATP by aerobic method. D, all are correct. Question number 5. Choose the statement which is false about skeletal muscle fiber. A, slow oxidative fiber have a high fatigue resistance. B, fast oxidative glycolytic fiber have a low fatigue resistance. C, fast glycolytic fiber have a low fatigue resistance. D, all are false. I already given answer of all of these questions in my lecture. If you have any doubt, then go through with the lecture again and answer in comment box.